Are you looking for how red light therapy can help your eyes? Live5D Health in the beautiful town of Boyle, County Roscommon, Ireland. We are waiting for you to become the best version of yourself. We are a state-of-the-art clinic combining cutting-edge technology with ancient wisdom to help everyone heal faster, sleep better, reverse aging, lose weight and feel great. Our red light therapy bed is the highest specification bed in the world, with future-proof LED technology, as well as being the first available in the west of Ireland. Red light reduces inflammation and improves blood circulation, as well as activating the mitochondria in your cells. And by improving this circulation and energizing you on a cellular level, red light is a fantastic method for almost instant weight loss, especially when combined with our vibrational plate machine. When combined with other therapies such as pulse, electromagnetic field therapy and hyperbaric oxygen therapy, you really can stack these powerful treatments to find the super you at live5dhealth.com. We look forward to seeing you there.